Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the digital age, the internet is not just a tool for entertainment or communication. It's a vast, open field, ripe with opportunities for those who know where to look. Today, we'll explore some of the best methods to generate income online and how you can tap into these opportunities. First and foremost, consider freelancing. This option is perfect for those who have a specific skill set, such as graphic design, writing, or programming. Various platforms connect freelancers with clients who need their services. All you have to do is create a profile, showcase your work, and start bidding on projects. Next up, selling products online. You can use platforms like Etsy or eBay to sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or even your old stuff. If you have a knack for creating unique items, this could be your gateway to a steady stream of income. Another method to consider is taking online surveys. Many companies pay for consumer opinions. By signing up to survey sites, you can make money by simply sharing your thoughts on different products and services. Creating a blog or YouTube channel is another fantastic way to generate income. If you have a passion for a particular topic, why not share it with the world? By consistently producing quality content, you can build a following. Once you have a substantial audience, you can monetize your platform through advertising or sponsorships. Have you heard of affiliate marketing? It's a method where you promote a product or service and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to make money if you have a blog, a website, or a large social media following. Lastly, consider working as a virtual assistant or an online tutor. If you're organized and have good communication skills, being a virtual assistant could be right up your alley. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can share your knowledge as an online tutor. To summarize, making money online is absolutely achievable. Whether it's through freelancing, selling products, taking surveys, creating a blog or YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, or working as a virtual assistant or tutor, there are numerous paths to choose from. The key is to research, find the method that suits your skills and interests, and approach it with the right mindset. Remember, the internet is a vast field ripe with opportunities. It's up to you to tap into them and make the most of what the digital age has to offer.